Coming up.
Some high clouds kept the sunshine out today, but at least we didn't have to deal with the rainfall. We're starting to see some showers push in. Could they affect us overnight? Fall is here, which means Halloween's right around the corner. Tomorrow, it's going to feel somewhat fall-like as the kids catch the bus for school. Low 60s, slight chances of rain for our northern counties. Sunrise at 7:15. Really not going to see a lot of sunshine as we head through the day on Wednesday, but there is plenty of sunshine in your future. I'll have your complete forecast right after the break. Welcome back. A few high clouds here and there today took away from some of the sunshine, but temperature-wise, very comfortable. Stayed rain-free across the Midlands today, but here you go. Moving in from Georgia, now into South Carolina. We're seeing a few light showers out there, but all in all, for the most part tonight, things should remain dry. Now, as we get towards the time you're waking up tomorrow morning, 5, 6 a.m., even 7 o'clock, our northern counties, as you get towards parts of Newberry County, even over towards Fairfield County, and even Saluda County could have a little bit of drizzle or light rainfall. These will be the best counties to see rainfall within the Watch Fox viewing area for the morning hours before that chance increases across the area. Temperatures still pretty comfortable. 73 at Columbia Metropolitan Airport, 68 in Rock Hill, 69 Greenwood, 70 in Orangeburg. We've got 60s and 70s along the coast this evening with Myrtle Beach at 63 degrees. That's the cool spot. 64 at Florence, and in the upstate, Greenville checking in at 70 degrees right now. Let's widen the view out though, and you can see that we're not really looking at any drastic change when it comes to the temperatures outside, but we will see some change to the forecast courtesy of a disturbance that's sitting to our west. A lot of rainfall tied in with it that's been moving through Alabama and starting to move into Georgia. A few showers ahead of it. That's the ones we just talked about on our satellite and radar. And we could see slight chances of rain for all of the Midlands by the time we reach about midday into the afternoon and evening hours as this front gets a little bit closer to the area. Let's take a look at everything on Future Watch, and we've got this disturbance that's sitting to our south. The Gulf of Mexico open for business. You're getting influence from a southerly wind flow there. We've got high pressure to our north, so the winds down to the surface will be more north and easterly during the day, but we could see enough moisture from the middle and upper parts of the atmosphere to support some shower activity. Best chances definitely for the upstate, again into our northern counties around Saluda, Newberry, even Fairfield County. And then by the afternoon hours. Now, Future Watch keeps the rain to our north, but I'm convinced we could see a few scattered showers throughout the Midlands. So we're going to keep it at about a 50% chance as we head into the day tomorrow. And then as you look at Future Watch by 11 o'clock tomorrow night, still keeping some of those rain chances around. Flying out of Columbia Metropolitan tomorrow, well, again, slight chances of afternoon showers. Dry in the northeast, dry throughout the Great Lakes region, even Texas dry, just warm in the 90s. All right, down into the low 60s tonight. Northern counties as you're waking up tomorrow with that chance of showers, and that takes you through midday as temperatures go from the 60s into the 70s with a better chance of seeing some of those scattered showers by the afternoon hours. But fans of beautiful fall weather, have no fear. By Thursday afternoon, it's a forecast that you will love with sunshine. That's going to take us into the weekend as well. Low 80s also taking you into the weekend. So before that Central Florida, South Carolina kick, maybe you want to get a little golf in, maybe you want to get a little tennis in, the jog, whatever you want to do, take advantage of doing it outside.
Got choices. Thank you, sir.
You bet. Well, allergy sufferers, we are now into the fall season, and we're starting off with the medium range as we head into your Wednesday. A little bit lower than today thanks to some rain chances. As far as the main culprits, according to pollen.com, we're still looking at grasses, quinopods, and ragweed. Now, we could see these numbers going down a little bit because of the rain, but what about as we head towards the weekend? I'll let you know in the full forecast right after the break. And welcome back on this Tuesday night. Not a bad day out there. Let's take a look across the Midlands on our WeatherBug network, starting at Ferry Chevrolet in Orangeburg, 67. They saw quite a bit of sunshine down there in Orangeburg today. No rainfall on the rain gauge, but that's relevant as we could see that change across the area. Taking you up towards Newberry, well, a few high clouds sliding through to filter some of that sunshine towards the end of the day. 70 the current temperature, no rain reported in Newberry. And one of my favorite cameras down at WCBD TV in Mount Pleasant, just across the Ravenel Street Bridge from downtown Charleston, 68 degrees. You can see some of those high clouds trying to slide through. Made for a partly cloudy sky at times today. No rainfall down there. But again, that expected to change potentially as well. 69 in York County and Rock Hill. Over in Batesburg and Lexington County, 70 degrees, 61 in Ridgeway, 71 at Heathwood Hall, and again, no rain reported in the rain gauges in these locations. Here's a look at Skywatch Doppler radar, and let's talk about where we do have some light showers that are sliding into the area. That is well north of the Watchbox viewing area. The closest we can find is parts of Edgefield County, and also you can see almost working into parts of Saluda County, but all in all, we will see most of the Midlands staying dry as we head through the overnight time frame. Now, as we go into tomorrow morning, by the time you're waking up in rush hour, I'm not going to rule out a few sprinkles for our northern counties, but the metro area I do expect to remain dry at least through midday before we'll see slightly better chances of rain sliding in. All right, satellite and radar, the bigger picture, not too bad today. A few of those high clouds that push through the area, but all of this activity happening to our west, this is what could potentially bring those slight chances of rain as we head into tomorrow. We've got an area of low pressure that's slowly working through the middle Mississippi Valley right now, and it's going to continue to slide this way. But I think everything is going to stay as far as heavy rain potential to our south. We'll see more of a scattered chance, especially by the midday hours. Not a big difference as far as the temperatures go between the 70s and 60s that we're dealing with right now. So seasonal weather out there. We're not going to see any big shift with the numbers once this pushes through. Here's the breakdown on Future Watch as we put it into motion for you. We get a few areas of low pressure to develop along the disturbance sitting south of us. You also get the Gulf of Mexico to open for business, so that helps to bring some moisture. And as we get a warm front just south of us, well, it could trigger a few of these showers we're expecting. Better chances in the upstate, and although Future Watch is trying to keep everything in the upstate, I wouldn't be surprised if by rush hour we have a few scattered showers across parts of the Midlands that will take us into not only tomorrow evening, but into early Thursday morning as well before conditions start to improve across the area. So overnight, down to 67 at midnight, 64 at 3 a.m. and 62 with a slight chance for our northern counties for some showers by 6 a.m. Through the day tomorrow, out the door, 64 at 9 a.m. Again, northern counties the best chances for rain at this point. A little bit more coverage by lunchtime at 69 degrees and a better chance for scattered showers throughout the Midlands by the time you're heading home at 5 with a temperature of 76 degrees. Now, I promise you there was sunshine in the forecast. That arrives by Thursday afternoon. Our sky will gradually clear. Look for temperatures to stay a little bit below average, low 80s, and then we have got the orange dot special heading into the weekend, a sun-filled sky, comfortable temperatures, and then another front bringing chances for rain as we go into next week. So a weekend that we can all enjoy. I've not heard anybody complain about that today.
It's been pretty nice, you know. The rain, we could use it, you know.
Rain's nice to have, but it's also nice to get a break with those fall temperatures just in time for the weekend. Of course, the Gamecocks down in Central Florida this weekend in Orlando, but hey, you've got folks maybe that want to get out and play a little morning golf, maybe a little tennis.
You can do
morning jog. Fantastic.
Thank you, sir.
Yep.